Hi, and thanks for watching Certified Supplier Initiative Ningbo Factory Tour. I am your host, William D. Frazier. Certified Supplier Initiative was launched by China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. We evaluate toy and baby product manufacturers based on 5 criteria: product safety, safety insurance, specified standards, self-export capability, and social responsibility for you, the buyer, to find better qualified buyers companies in China. Today, we're in Ningbo. Ningbo is a hub that produces toy and baby products in China, and we're going to visit one of its major manufacturers. That manufacturer is Ningbo Chuanlang Industrial Co. Limited. This company is established in 1991. They have multiple capabilities to produce balanced bicycles, tricycles, snowboarding, shopping carts, as well as wagons. So we're going to go and check out and see how they operate. Let's go check them out. Ningbo Chuanlang was established in 1991. This company has over 60,000 square meters of area. And of that 60,000, 50,000 of that is their production. Within that 50,000 area of workspace, they have over 800 employees and an excellent research and design team, which allows them to produce such items as the balanced bicycle, the tricycle, the shopping cart, as well as the scooters and wagons. The most remarkable thing about this company is in 2020, they had produced over 2.2 million tricycles, which allowed them to maintain for the 5th consecutive year as the #1 manufacturing company in the world that produces that many tricycles. Now we're coming inside of Ningbo Chuanlang's injection molding department. In this particular area, they have 26 machines that produce numerous parts for the company. They have parts they make for the balanced bicycle, the tricycle, as well as the shopping carts. But this particular part is made from PP material. This is the base for the scooter, if you had noticed earlier. So this is very important that they prepare to a quality management system with high standards when it comes to produce their products. Not only do they use PPP equipment, they also use PPE as well as ABS. So part of the Certified Supplier Initiative through China Toy and Juvenile Product Association, I want to see what the scooter looks like. Now we're coming inside of Chuanlang's foaming workshop. This is actually an area where they have these very unique parts. This very part right here, they take and it actually end up looking like this, the center wheel here. So this is a very workshop that is very important as far as putting together the balanced bicycle. So you can see that it's very diligent workforce here as part of the certified supplier. And they meet all the standards of international for the European and US standards when it comes to workshop and assembling the products that's suitable for the global market. Now we're inside of Chuanlang's automatic spray painting line. You can see that the different parts of the bicycle are spray painted in this area, so to maintain the good quality, good workmanship, craftsmanship is maintained by the company. Now we're inside of Chuanlang's production area. This is the sewing room. They actually make the canopy for go on top of the wagons. You can see it's very detailed work they do here. It's very studious. And the company makes sure they maintain the highest production standards and the quality safety to make sure that employees are properly taken care of. It's important that part of the certified suppliers that Chuanlang maintains a very safe environment for the employees to produce the most qualified products for the marketplace. Based on the international standard that they have met and continuously exceed, it's important that a company like Chuanlang maintains a healthy work environment as part of the social responsibility, as also as part of Certified Supplier Initiative through China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. As part of the certified supplier, it's important that the manufacturers do a great quality product. Now we're inside of Ningbo Chuanlang's assembly line for the balanced bicycle. You have different areas of the assembly line that people take responsibility for putting the bicycle together. You have individuals that's assembling parts to the clamps, the housing, the structure, and the main frame of the bicycle. Here, as part of the Certified Supplier Initiative Program with China Toy and Juvenile Products, it's important that you maintain the high standards that this company has maintained with all types of qualifications and certifications that they have met. Along the whole processing line, you can see that they have assembled different components in different areas of the line. And the final area that they're part of is the packaging area. This is the area where they found a product that has been finally packaged and have met all the QC standards along the way. So again, as part of the certified supplier, it's important that Chuanlang maintains the highest standards as far as manufacturing, and it's important that they assemble these bicycles according to international standards. Now we're inside of Chuanlang's QC laboratory, where we get a chance to look at some of the type of quality control testing they do on their product. This particular test here is called the longevity testing. They do at least 7,000 kilometers of testing on this, and that's equates to about 125 miles. They actually put the weight inside to simulate the weight of a child so they actually understand the weight of it. This particular test here is the breakage test. They would take and put the amount of weight of the child inside and then pull on it to see at what point that it break on. Back here, you have the motion simulation test, because there are three types of shipment. You have either air shipment, land shipment, or ocean shipment. So with the movement of the product, you want to see what that type of motion impact it has on the product. So inside the Quality Control Center, as part of the certified supplier, Chuanlang want to make sure they have the quality product for the marketplace. Also in Chuanlang's Quality Control Center, there are other additional tests that they perform. Particularly this test machine right here, it tests the breaking point for the steel tube. So it has a very high level of intensity that applies to the tubing of the bicycle, the balanced bicycle, to make sure that it bends and it doesn't bend. Actually, in this area right here, this test is for the chemicals inside of the product. Once you paint it, they want to know, is there any chemical that is hazardous to an individual? So this is testing for that. Inside this room right here, this is the anti-corrosive test to make sure that the tools or the parts in the machine or the bicycle or the toys do not corrode and get rusted or causes any problems. So this is another part of the Certified Supplier Quality Control Room or Chuanlang. Now we're inside of Ningbo Chuanlang showroom. You can see here they have a lot of toys that we're going to talk about. For example, they have the balanced bicycles. A lot of colorful bicycles. You have black, red, blue, green, yellow, and all different colors. But next to the bicycles, you see the sled board, the sled scooters, the sled bicycles, whatever you want to call them. They are very good for the kids during the snow season. And as you're out shopping, you have the shopping carts. Children will enjoy themselves more with you when you're out shopping, so you have these very colorful shopping carts, even in the shopping malls that you have visited. And as you come over more, you see the tricycles, very beautiful tricycles, different designs, different patterns. We have one that's made of a Hummer. Then you have the more upscale tricycles. So you can see that Chuanlang has continued to improve the process of developing a tricycles series. You have different colors with the canopy, with the different shades of yellow, green, black, blue, and so forth and so on. But furthermore, what we want to show you is something I haven't seen in quite some time. This is the wagon series. These are wagons that you could easily have pull with children on the inside, and they can enjoy a nice ride and a nice pull in a different type of wagons. And then you have these carts here. So you recognize that Chuanlang has continuously made innovative products from the balanced bicycles, from the tricycles, from the shopping carts, from the wagons that children can always enjoy. Here at Ningbo Chuanlang, they have achieved a lot of type of certification and test reports that we want to show you. For example, they have the Intertech test report. This is the ANSI 315.1 test report they achieved. Also, what they have is the GSV verification. That's Global Security Verification that they have achieved in 2020. Now, also, what you want to talk about is their certification, such as the Certificate of Environmental System Certification, which is part of the ISO 14001-2015. As far as the quality management system, they have the certificate here as well. This is the ISO 9001-2015. Now, this particular one right here is the SG certificate that they achieved from Japan. Not very many companies can get this, but they're one of the companies that actually achieved this type of certificate from Japan. Now, all day we talk about their social responsibility. As part of the social responsibility, they have the ICTI certificate here to demonstrate they adhere to the social responsibility as part of the Certified Supplier Program with China Toy and Juvenile Product Association, as well as the BSCI. Now, we're inside the Ningbo Chuanlang R&D department. In this department, you have highly skilled individuals who have the personal capability and the skill level to create some of the most innovative ride-on toys for this company. You can see that they design many toys such as the balanced bicycles, the tricycles, the shopping carts. They have met many international testing standards such as ASTM F963 or the EN71. They also have quality standards as many certificates they have maintained throughout the years, such as the ISO 9001-2015 certificates. Here in this company, they have many years of experience and resources to develop some of the most innovative toys that has been introduced to the market. So as a certified supplier, it is very important that Chuanlang has the capacity to develop the most qualified products to meet all those international standards. I'm here with Lenny in the International Sales Department. Lenny, I have two questions to ask you about Chuanlang.
Okay.
How long has the company been established?
Yeah, our company has more than 30 years history, so it's a long history, right? And we have been worked with many big customers from all over the world, including Target, Walmart, Sam's Club, and so on.
Okay, and with that, how would you describe your company's culture?
With long history and excellent experience in children's toys, our company is dedicated to create and promote more development of children's toys to the world. And our aim is to build world-class children's toy space and is to create more success and happiness to people all over the world.
Okay, and with that, if you want to know more about Ningbo Chuanlang Children Products Company, industrial company, you can get in contact with them directly or you contact us here at China Toy and Juvenile Product Association.